Hello everyone and good afternoon po sa ating lahat. Today is Friday, no? Once again, huling araw ng linggo. And as usual, andito ulit tayo sa ating end of day market recap kung saan pag-uusapan natin no, yung mga nangyayari sa market. Also, yung mga news and disclosures, no? Pero syempre, today, isa sa magiging main topic natin is, of course, etong Keepers FOO, no? Kung bakit ngayon ko lang to dinidiscuss, I'll share to you mamaya. Okay? So, sige. While we are still trying to catch up, no? Batiin ko lang yung mga kasama natin na nasa stream ngayon. So, hello, Yumir. Good afternoon. Autoloan Philippines, magandang hapon sa'yo. Medyo maganda yung ICT ngayon. Gap up pa. Ilang days kong inabangan. Di ko nakita agad kanina. Di na ako umabol. Okay. Yeah. Pero maganda yung galawan ng market natin ngayon. Ha? We are up actually. No? Ang laki. So, sige. Sisilipin natin yung mamaya. Hello, Lori. Good afternoon. Joshua, hello sir. Napaka-tight ng movement ni all day. Ang bigat, hindi na makagalaw. Oo nga, medyo nahihirapan na siya. Sobrang tight nga nung spread niya ngayon. I think nasa 0.74 hanggang point 0.80 kanina. Hindi ko pa ma-check, no? Pero yeah. Good afternoon. We will try to check later on, Lenore, ha? Gina, hello, good afternoon. Mark, Noel, good morning. Ben, good afternoon. Dennis, hello, good afternoon. Ayan, okay. Sige, simulan na muna natin no, para makapag-discuss tayo ng maayos. Let me try to check here. Ayan. Okay, so quick check lang natin ang market ngayon. PSEI is up 133 points, no, or 1.85% with a value turnover na napakalaki, 7.84 billion. No? So we will see kung kaya ba niya umabot ng mga 9 billion mamaya at the end of day. Okay? So 7,336 tayo so far. Actually, pre-close na nga pala, no? So, ayan, in just 4 minutes, maybe, we will see. Ayan. So, in terms of foreign, we are net foreign buy for today of about 500 million. Tapos, sector-wise naman, all green, no? Except for mining and oil na gumagawa na naman ng sarili niyang mundo. Ayan. On the stat sheets, top gainer natin, we have Magic, 1.97 or 12.57%, followed by Bicor, OPMB, RCB, RLC, Mac, Prim, Bloom, and the rest. While on the worst losers naman, we have PA, 7, BKR, LR, MED, CPM, MTV, APVI, AP, and the rest. Ayan. So ito yung ating lagay ng market ngayon, no? Which in the next 2 minutes and 30 seconds, most likely, makikita natin yung final for today. Ayan. Okay? So, let's have a, quick check. Ay, hindi, siguro mamaya na lang pag naka-resume na yung market. Okay? Kasi iniisip ko sabihin, iyan ko sana, review natin iba't ibang mga stock, pero I guess, mamaya na lang. No? Para makita natin yung final. Para isang galawan. Okay? So, now, let's have a quick, quick rundown. What do you guys think about Keepr? Saan yun? Yeah, I think ito yun. Ayan. What do you guys think about Keepr's FOO? Are you buying or not? Excuse me. Okay, sige. So, yun yung pag-uusapan natin ngayon. No? I'll share to you my thoughts and ngayon lang ito, ngayon ko lang siya na-discuss kasi to be honest with you, I really wasn't paying attention to Keepr. No, hindi talaga, as in totally. I know marami man nagtatanong nito during yung mga session natin on the live, di ba? Sa Stockwentuhan at saka sa market recap. No? And I wasn't really paying attention to it kasi medyo maliit lang yung yung interest level ko kay Keepr. No? Siguro, dahil hindi pa ako ganun ka-inform about sa kanya and hindi ako nagbigay ng a lot of research, no, kay Keepr until actually this morning. Okay, until this morning. Why? Kasi wala lang I was just looking at the sa Twitter account ko and then sabi ko, okay. May nag-post na nakalimutan ko na ha, pasensya na kung sino man 'yon. Nung nakita ko na nag-post siya na he's interested with Keepr kasi ang laki daw ng binaba ng presyo from 12 pesos tapos ang FOO is 150 lang. 'Di ba? So, nung nakita ko 'yon, sabi ko, "Uy, wow, parang there's something ano dito there's something new or something good about this one, no? Na very interesting, no, for traders." So, I did some quick checking lang hindi ito in-depth na review kasi hindi ko talaga siya na-review totally, no? Ang naging reference ko lang dito is of course ito nga yung mga nasa yung nasa edge. Okay? So, again, hindi ito full review, just a quick intro lang, no? Ayan. Okay. So, because of that, I'll just give you sort of a hint. Now, I have already subscribed to the FOO ni Keepr. Okay, and I'll tell you later on why. Okay, but for now, let's have a quick check muna, no? So, Keepr Holdings Inc. This is previously what we call yung Davin. Okay, nagkaroon ng issue, hindi naman issue, no? Pero development here kasi, well, if you recall way back, kailan ba? Early this year, I guess. No? Kailan ba yun? Yung lumipad to. Yeah, early this year, no? Lumipad yung presyo ni Davin at that time na umabot siya ng 10 pesos. Okay? Why? That is because of the bulong-bulungan of a potential backdoor play. Okay? So, yun yung naging cause ng paglipad niya. And then, well, today, it is branded as FOO, pero technically, it is a backdoor. No? Kasi, yung group ni Lucio Co was able to acquire majority ba? Or at least a lot of shares ni Davin for the sole purpose na i-consolidate yung kanyang liquor business. Okay? So, consolidation ng liquor business. Ano yung mga liquor business niya na yun? Ito. So, Montos Co Inc., Meritus Prime, and The Premier Wine and Spirits. Okay? Kung gusto nyo malaman kung ano-ano yung mga yon, marami sila, no? Pero basically, ito siya. And Keepr, or yung Davin at that time, no? Because of that hindi rebranding, no, pero more on consolidation, they decided to change the name, no, from Davin to the Keepers Holding na lang siya. Okay? And also, yung kanyang ticker symbol will be Keepr, K-E-E-P-R. Okay? Now, because of that consolidation, yung branding nila, no, they are now the biggest, no, in terms of market share nung imported alcohol. Okay? So, kaya ayun. Which is a huge play, no, kung you are looking for a pure, kumbaga, alcoholic or spirit na brand, then Keepr is the biggest one so far. Okay? Now, after that, saan yun? Let me go back. Ayan. So, because of that, because of the consolidation, ang nangyari is yung kanilang public float lumiit. It almost reached to zero. Okay? Now, syempre dito sa PSE, kailangan meron kang at least 20%, if I'm not mistaken, na public float para manatili ka sa na maging tradable sa public market. Okay? And the only way that Keepr can do that is to issue additional shares sa market or magbenta ng kanilang mga existing shares. And this is where the follow-on offering comes into the picture. Okay? So that is the only reason why Keepr is doing this FOO, to comply doon sa minimum public float requirements ng PSE. Okay? So kasi 'di ba for some gusto nila mag FOO kasi may mga investments, may mga acquisitions, etc. But for Keepr, it's not that way. Okay? Similar ito nung kay SGP, 'di ba? FOO ni SGP. They just need to ano tawag ito? To comply, no? For dun sa 20% public float. Okay. Now, why I decided to buy Keepr. Again, this is not a financial advice. This is not a recommendation. Okay, I'm just telling you kung ano yung naging thought process ko kanina, why I did it. Okay, kayo pa rin yung magde-decide, no, if you are going to buy it or not. Okay, so yun. Now, why I decided is because of actually two things. Okay, two things ba? Yeah, two major things. Number one, ang laking bagay kasi nung pricing. Okay, just imagine from 12 something pesos, no? Tapos ang offer lang is 150. 'Di ba? So ang laki. Ang laki talaga ng difference. So yung discount na yon, that made me really kumbaga interested to get it, no? Now it doesn't mean na automatic na mag-ano ako, no, na gain na ako agad, no. I don't see it that way. No, it's just that very attractive lang talaga yung discount. Okay? Now, for some, it's a double-edged sword or depende kung how you would put it. Kasi syempre, di ba, pag binaba ng company yung presyohan on the price point, on the FOO, then some people would argue na, okay, baka walang kumakagat ng presyo nila, kaya kailangan na ibaba. So, baka makakunti lang yung demand. On the other hand, yung mga traders naman, tuwan-tuwa. Kasi syempre, wow, previously, ito yung presyo, now I can just get it at 150. It's a huge discount. Diba? So, it's up to you kung saang part kayo doon. Okay? Pero ako, nasa part ako nung discount. No? Now, the second reason why I was interested here is because this is kumbaga, if you're looking for a pure play, no, na spirits or beverage, alcoholic drink, na play, this is it. Okay? Now, sa market natin, meron tayong may mga nandiyan na like LTG, kaso si LTG kasi it's a holding company, di ba? We have GSMI. Ayun, I think it is the closest, no, na we can compare Keepr with. So GSMI, and alam naman natin yung naging kalawan ni GSMI in the past. Ang ganda ng galawan ni GSMI. Imagine, we are in the pandemic situation pa, ha? So that really, kumbaga, yun yung isa sa nag-push sa akin. So, despite the fact na dapat, even if merong liquor ban, dapat I was expecting that GSMI would fall down. Kasi it will affect their profits, no? Pero for some reason, traders were still able to pick it up. Diba? So, ayun. Doon lang naglalaro yung isip ko. Okay? And doon ko rin na-realize na, okay, baka malakas nga talaga yung demand sa ngayon sa mga alcoholic drinks. And medyo napapanahon, no, yung pagpasok ni Keepr. Okay? So, yun yung two main reasons, no, why I decided to jump in. Okay? Now, am I planning, or what do I plan to do here? Well, short-term trade lang to sa akin. Okay? I'll see how it will go doon kapag na-list na ito sa market on November 19th. Okay, November 19th is Friday, no? In 2 weeks time. So, yun yung listing niya. Okay, so, ayun. Now, let's see here. So, yun. I think halos yun lang naman yung piece ko about it, no? I hope I was able to give some explanation, no, on why this is happening or why I took it. Okay, let me go back sa comment section very quickly. Kung may question about Keepr, ha, let me know. Sabi ni Giovanni rito, goodbye daw si Keepr dahil sa discounted price. Si Joshua, ano pong sinasabi niyong 12 pesos for Keepr? Okay. O nga pala, no? I haven't mentioned. So, why 12 pesos? Teka ha. I'm trying to look for teka ha. Hinahanap ko yung ano ko, eh. Hmm, Hindi ko siya makita. Pero dito yata. Let's check that. Kasi nagkaroon ng ano, ah, nagkaroon ng changes dun sa kanyang par value, 'di ba? Si Keepr was or si Davin before was trading at 295, no? Pero nagkaroon kasi ng changes na sa par value from 0.023 naging 0.1 na siya, no? And because of that, yung pricing niya tumaas, pero yung number of shares bumaba. Okay? So, yun yung reason kung yun yung usual na effect kapag yung par value mo is lumiliit. Okay? Or nagcha-change pala. Sorry. Okay? Now, ang problema dito is that yung mga may hawak ng Davin before, sila yung kawawa. Okay? Kasi yung average price nila, let's say for example, they bought 295, no, at that time. So yung presyo nila will go up because of the change in par value. Na magiging around ang huli kong basa kasi is around 12, no? I'm still trying to find kung nasaan yung info na yon. You can correct me if I'm wrong, ha? Pero definitely kasi there is a change there, no? Dahil dun sa par value. Pero again, your total value portfolio will still be the same. Kung halimbawa ang total value mo is say 50,000 worth, then it will still be 50,000. Ang nag-iba lang is yung factor, how you arrive with that, no? So for example, before, let's say example lang ito, 10 shares at 50 pesos. Or sorry, 1,000 shares at 50 pesos. So 1,000 times 50 is equal to 50,000. No, yun yung formal value mo. Now because of the par value, nag-iba yung factor. So let's say for example, instead of 1,000 times 50, naging ano lang siya. Ano bang pwede nating i-ano doon? Kunwari naging 1 peso times 50,000, which is still equivalent to 50,000 pero nag-iba na yung value ng factors, no? So yun siya. Okay? Yung changes is nangyayari doon sa number of shares na hawak mo and sa price point, no? Pero yung total value na meron ka is still the same. Okay? Now, with this FOO, medyo negative ito para doon sa mga may hawak. Kasi syempre, alam mo yun, nag-iiba. Magmumukhang mataas yung presyo nila versus the market, no? And potentially it is a negative sentiment para sa kanila, no? Now they can of course buy into FOO, no, to lower the price point. Pero syempre hindi naman lahat may capital to do that. And especially marami rin naman yung mga ano lang, alam niyo yung bibili lang and then iiwan, 'di ba? So unfortunately not too good for them. And the only way that they can mitigate that issue is of course kung meron silang pambili on the FOO. Okay? So ayan. Teka ha. Hello Connie. Lance, can you compare ang chart ni PHR at Keepr noong listing ng PHR? Madaming ipit kay Keepr and honestly kasama ako doon. Yeah, kasi the reason why nag-stop, kung mapapansin niyo, no, nag-stop ito noong July 7. Why? This is because of the news, no, nung consolidation ng spirits. Okay? Dahil doon, yung public float ni Keepr nag-drop, almost zero. So, automatically, PSE suspended yung trading until such time that Keepr can comply sa ruling and guidance ni PSE. And to do that, eto nga, That's why we have the FOO. So, dun lang tayo makakabalik. Now, yung question mo about PHR, medyo mahirap silang i-compare, no? I know nagdaan sila sa parehas na situation wherein nagkaroon ng suspension. Pero magkaiba kasi. Kasi eto kay Keepr, remember, this is kumbaga they have violated, hindi naman violated, pero they have been uncompliant. No? While kay PHR, at that time, it is a decision of the company, no, na magpa-stop muna ng trading until such time na makabalik sila sa trading floor. Okay? Sabi ni Lance, I mean yung new price niya is at 1282. Ayun. And I think nga 1282, no, yung nakita ko. Again, this is because of the par value change. Ayan, sabi rin ni David Arenas. Ayan. Okay, so I hope clear siya. If you guys still have questions, no, we can of course talk about that or discuss it sa comment section. Okay? Ayan. Now, let me go back muna since, sorry lumampas na tayo sa oras and it's already, 1:05. So, let's have a quick check, no, nung ating market for today. Okay? Unahin ko muna si All Day. So, since ito yung bagong IPO, no, on its third day, Keepr All Day is at 0.77. So, up siya ng around 4%. Pero, kung mapansin na natin, diba? Almost flat yan. Let's go to 5-minute chart. Ayan. Diba? Yung movement niya, diba? Halos ito lang. Ayan. Medyo maliit, no? Compared to what it used to be. Ay, actually, kahapon pa pala to. No? So, yung ngayon is ito lang pala. Ayan. O, diba? Maliit. Pero the value turnover is still quite high, no? At 456 million. Okay. Now, kapag ganito, no, to be honest, meron akong concern about this kasi at least at the very least, I was expecting na medyo mag-volatile pa siya. But then right now, since hindi, I will be interested to see, most likely by Monday, I'll be monitoring this. No? I'll be monitoring this strictly. Okay? Kasi pag nabasag yung 0.70, I'm looking at 0.70 here. Well, actually 0.71. No? Yun yung naging yung last price niya noon. At least yung lowest, no, kahapon. So, yun tinitingnan ko. So, if that drops 0.71, yun yung magiging ultimate cut loss ko. Okay? So, ayan. And then, let's look at other stocks din, no? Para ma-check natin. Kasi ang ganda ng market natin kanina. Hindi ko pa na-check kung ano nangyayari sa PSE at the last 10 minutes, ha? So, we'll see. ASEN. ASEN is flat today. Okay? So, wala pa yan. Monde. Ayun. Maganda. At least up siya, no? 1.11%. Pero still waiting, no, for more movement para kay Monde. No, malakas pa rin naman yung kanyang volume, pero medyo nanghihina na siya on that regard, no, at around 17 pesos. I think yun yung magiging main resistance niya. Converge. Oh, wow, nice. Okay. So si Converge, no, maganda yung naging movement kasi at least umangat na siya, no, above 33 pesos. So we'll see kung magtutuloy-tuloy ito. DMC, okay. So medyo nagda-drop na siya ng paunti-unti ulit after a strong rebound coming here sa 760. Okay, SCC. Ganun din. So parang wala, inaano lang niya sinusundan lang din niya si DMC or si DMC ang sumusunod kay SCC. No? Hindi ko pa alam. Ayan. Kanina may nag-mention about about ICT. Ayan. Uy, nice. Ang ganda ng gap up, no? With a really good value, no? Ang ganda ng volume niya dito, oh. Meron bang news kay ICT? Tingnan ko nga. Well, may quarterly report o maganda yung kanilang ano, hindi naman nila sinummarize. So yeah, most likely saan ba yun? Oh nice, oo nga. This is about almost 20-30% up from previous month, no? Sorry, from previous period last year, no, yung Q3. So nice, congrats sa mga may hawak ng ICT. Ayan. What else? Kahapon 'di ba, we reported na yung si Nickel nagbigay ng special dividend and up si Nickel kahapon. Today ay up pa din siya, no? Pero ang laking doji nito. Ang laking doji nito, no? Pero we'll see. Yun nga lang, wait lang, Oo nga 'no, potential untog 'tong si ano, si Nickel. Okay, potential untog 'no, at this level. 573 or 575 siguro. If we try to round it off to the nearest whole number, no. So 575 sa bottom naman is 520. Okay. Kailan ang ano ni nickel? Para makita lang natin kung kailan possible na magkaroon ng sell off ito or at least ng take profit. Ang dividends nila will be ex date. Ex date is on November 15. Okay. So yeah, minus 1 to 2 days, business days ng ex date. My expectation is for nickel to to drop a portion of the price point, no? Kasi normal na nangyayari talaga 'yun. Okay? Normal lang siyang nangyayari. Okay. So, ayan. Okay, so I think halos that's it. Dito, what happened kay dito? Ouch! Tuloy-tuloy, no? Tuloy-tuloy yung pag-drop ni dito. And ngayon, nabasag na niya to. Whew. So, una, di ba nabasag na yung 7? Yan. Tapos ngayon, I was expecting, sabi ko, okay, sana man lang itong 668 mag-hold. So, yung problema, hindi nangyari. Nag-drop pa siya lalo. So, not a good time for dito, no? Unless mag-bounce. Pero syempre, hindi man natin alam kung kailan mangyayari. Will it happen on Monday, on Tuesday, next year, next decade? We don't know. Okay? Yun nga lang, what we know right now is that it broke yung kanyang support. No? Which is not a good thing to see. Okay, all HC pala. Ayun, okay. So, nakabawi siya, no? From a down, dun sa dalawang magkasunod na araw niyang nag-red. Ngayon, nakabawi na siya. So, nice. Okay. Sige. Okay, sige. So, I think that's all. Okay, sige. Let's have a quick check. Final rundown ng ating index. So, 137.05 points ang tinaas natin. 1.9%. This is really, really good. I think we have already broken the resistance. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think it is. Yes. We have broken the resistance. No? Nasaan yung resistance? Ito. Ayan. So, na-break na niya, no? Although, medyo may kanipisan sa taas, ha? Medyo manipis sa taas. So, maganda ang labanan dito on Monday, no? We will see if this breakout will continue or it will give us a false breakout. When I say false breakout, that means the candle will drop below doon sa previous resistance na binrake nito. Okay? And if it drops below that, then at the very least, I would be expecting na pwede siyang bumalik. Hindi naman ganun kalakihan, no? Pero at least it could possibly drop. Yan. Sa area na yan. No? Kumbaga bouncing from the support. Okay? So, ayan. We are net foreign buy for today of about 700 million. So that's good. 700 million foreign buy tayo today. And then sector wise, all green. Okay. So very good so far. Sorry, value turnover natin 9.19 billion. So this is good. Stat sheets, top gainer pa natin si MJC of about 4 trades, 12%. This big core OPMB, and the rest worst loser is halos same. No? So no changes on that. Okay, and then guys, before we actually end the session right now, I just wanted to invite you. So mamaya I'll be posting it. Kasi 'di ba nung nakaraan I posted kung sino interested to learn more about about Metaverse. Okay? So on Monday, 7 p.m. on Monday, we will have our live session. Okay? So I'll post the link and the event sa page mamaya. So you can check it out and maka-attend kayo. Okay? It will be a live session on Facebook only Facebook only lang gagawin natin doon. If you are interested in Metaverse, 'di ba? Si Facebook, they rebranded to Meta because of they're trying to push the Metaverse. So pag-uusapan natin 'yon. Metaverse, crypto, and NFTs. And the most important part is syempre how we can take advantage, no? Being a potential early adapter ng Metaverse kasi it's still quite new, no? Although matagal na siya pero quite new in terms of mainstream knowledge, di ba? So ayan. Okay? So with that, that ends my live for today. I hope you learned something. Okay? And ayun pa rin yung tanong ko kanina, no? Do you think you'd be interested to buy Keepr's FOO or not? Leave a comment below. Okay? So once again, maraming salamat. Happy weekend everyone, and as always, good luck sa inyong mga trading. Bye guys!